Let's talk about how to add a basic score to the game. So if we scroll up, we're going to add a private int to keep track of the score. And we'll just call that score. And we're going to initialize the score to 0, just down in the constructor. So score equals 0. Then we're going to say anytime some events take place, like collisions, we want to add a bit to the score. So go down to check collisions. So if the ball that check collisions, not when it hits the paddle, but if it hits a brick, let's add some to the score. So if the ball that check collisions b.get wrecked, let's increment the score here, plus equals 10. So anytime a collision takes place. But then we also want to say, like, ooh, maybe when they break a brick or something, I don't know, when they get a modifier, let's say if b instance of modifier, let's say score plus equals 50 when they hit a modifier brick. And then when if they finally break a brick, let's add more to the score. Score plus equals 100. Alright, but now the score is not being displayed, so it's pretty meaningless at this point. So let's display the score. Head back up to the constructor method, where we're going to add one line of code to set a parameter for our graphics tool. We're going to set the font to something, and the way you do this is with a new font object, and you give it the name of any font that's stored in your system library, like Courier New. The second parameter is font.bold or font.plain or font.italics. And then the third parameter is the type size, so like 20-point font. Alright, and we have G2, the font is set, but let's go down and display the score actually under the draw method. So here we go, we're drawing the background, and then right after the background, let's do G2.setColor, color.white, and we're going to draw a string, G2.drawString, and we want to just use this top one, so we'll say score and colon plus the value stored in score, and we'll just display it at 20 and 20. Alright, let's see if this now will display a score that should go up as we play our game. And depending on where you are in the tutorials, it may look a little different for you. Why is it just black? Black. Oh, there it is. Took a while. I don't know why that was. Alright, does the score go up? Yes, it's incrementing. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so that's how you add a basic score to your game.